Infinity Dock Systems. Corner Sections Product Assembly Instructions. To begin, please carefully review all warnings and risk factors before starting the assembly of your Infinity Dock system. Assembly. Place one 3/8-inch nut in each connector clip nut holder and thread the 2.5 by 3/8 by 1 1/4 T-handle through just enough so that it does not fall out. Attach two connector clips to each dock frame that will be supporting the corner frame. Place two 3/8 by 1 carriage bolts into the bottom slot of the dock on each side. Secure the connector clips to the dock using the carriage bolts and one 3/8 flange nut in each place. Place the corner frame into the connector clips and tighten each 2.5 by 3/8 by 1 1/4 T-handle against the corner frame until it is secure against the supporting dock frames. Place corner panel in frame. Upon complete installation, your dock system is ready for use.